Alright, so I got my slave woman over here jacking the engine up now. Now, so we got everything put on the engine. I kind of slacked a little bit, did do a time lapse. So I got the flywheel put on here, didn't see that. And then maybe a couple of the other things I got put on here you guys didn't see. But I've just been thrashing on this thing, kind of running out of time. Got to go back to work tomorrow. So there it is. Everything's on it. We're hoping and praying we can get this high enough, and it's looking like, I don't know, we might have to lower the car. So we're gonna get working on that and get this thing put in here. I'm gonna video Sergio. You cool with that?
Yeah.
All
right. Tell him it's my fault.
It's all Sergio's fault. We're having to redo the turbo kit. I blame it all on him.
Yeah.
No, it's not really his fault. So we got the engine in here finally, and I didn't get a time lapse or anything because it took us about 6 hours to get this thing in the car because the mid plate. I already had the transmission in the car, and I tried to put the engine in with the transmission in, and it wasn't going to happen. So I had to pull the transmission back out and get the engine in here. But it's as you see it now. I got most of the stuff back on it. Injectors, harness. Most of the lines are ran again.
Are you gonna weld it in the car?
Me and Sergio, mainly Sergio,
take it out.
Tag it.
We're relining up the turbo kit.
It. Make sure tag it, tag it. But we'll put more tags on it
so it'll stay in place. So, yeah, I'm thinking that either we didn't tighten the headers down enough, or the heads are a little different because they're trip flow heads, and the mock-up engine had PI heads on it. Either way, the turbo kit's not lining up now, so we're cutting these pipes and getting them to line up.
That was a little hot.
So that's where we're at right now.
It wasn't even hot.
Yeah, you don't want to grab hot stuff. So I'll pick the video back up whenever we get a little bit farther with this. Alright guys, so I haven't been videoing much because I've gotten a lot more done on the car. I've been working like a freaking madman on this thing. So I got a lot of the stuff done, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got done on the car to this point. So the turbo is on. Got the feed line hooked up. I still got to hook it up over there. The oil filter relocation is in place. Me and Sergio obviously got the hot side re-welded and fixed yesterday. On there. You can see the turbo sitting right here. I gotta move this off the turbo, and I'm gonna put a blanket over it to keep heat off of that radiator. Everything up here on the top of the engine is hooked up. So it's looking good. It's really starting to look like a car again. It's making me feel pretty good. It looks like it's looking pretty mean with the 80mm board warner sitting over there. So I've got to go to dinner for work, and then I'm gonna come back tonight and keep thrashing on this thing. So we'll pick back up when we get there.
Here, and you pour that out in there.
Yeah, we'll pour that in there too. All right, so we got back from our dinner at lunch. We got Tyler over here.
You got dinner and lunch?
I said I just got back from our dinner at work. Or didn't I say something like that?
You said dinner and lunch.
Yeah, well, I meant dinner at work, not dinner at lunch. we about to put this Driven break-in 30 in here. So we got 7 quarts in here, and we already put 1 quart of the engine. We're gonna get that put in here, and then we got to fill the transmission up, and then it's gonna be ready to start. So the next thing you guys see, we should be ready to start this thing. Are you recording?
Yep.
All right, guys, we got everything together. I'm pretty nervous, but we're about to hop in, and I'm gonna start it up, and we're gonna see what happens. So you guys are here with me for the first startup. Good or bad, we're about to find out. So just watch everything. I gotta start the computer up real quick, so hold on. Did I leave the keys out there? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Me neither. Here we go. I think the battery's tired. Try it one more time.
Oh.
That ain't good.
What does that mean?
I don't know. It just lost all power.
Terminal
Crazy
company?
in there.
Yeah, I saw that when it was doing like the red at the top and shit.
It was freaking out. But yeah, anyways, it popped the fuse, so we got to figure out what's up with that. So we're gonna try and figure out what's going on, and then we'll be back. I don't know. That was kind of weird. The battery sounded weak, didn't it?
That first time it was ready.
Take 2.
Take number 2. Gotta start the computer up again. Is it?
Take 2. Time to wake all the neighbors.
We're gonna try.
You're gonna try to wake all the neighbors?
Wake the kids, wake the neighbors, wake the next neighborhood.
It's currently 11:33 at night.
It'll be worth it.
Those fuel pumps sounded a little hotter like then to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm just.
Being positive.
All right. Here goes nothing. We may not have enough battery.
We got enough battery. Turn it over.
Just keep an eye on.
Yeah.
If you see something. Here we go.
Yeah. Good thing I'm deaf in that ear already. Goddamn.
Let's move the E85 out of the garage next time.
Oh God.
Take 3.
I'm nervous now, dude. I've never had to do this shit before. Try one more time.
One more again.
Well, we're good. That was probably a bunch of.
I'm telling you, that's what it was. As many times as you turned it over, all that excess fuel was probably just building up.
All right, here we go. Keep your ears covered though, just in case.
Ear.
It takes a little bit.
Yep.
You want to check the back of the...
Battery's going dead.
You want to check the back real quick, Tyler?
Yeah, the battery's just going dead. You can hear it.
Everything look good?
Yeah, you're good. No smoke or anything. Battery's going dead. You can hear it getting slower.
We'll try one more time. The battery's been sitting for 6 months.
Hold up.
No,
Battery's going dead.
we ain't gonna get. It's not gonna start.
Nope.
Here we go. We got oil pressure.
It's only 12 o'clock at night.
That fucking squeak, dude. It did it again when you first hit it.
Yeah.
Like hit it, but didn't do it again after. You gotta
Alright, that's it.
Yeah, you gotta. You motherfuckers saying crunk
Georgia,
today.
man. It's Georgia. Oh, darn.
Did
She's
you hear that,
recording.
Andy?
Yeah.
He said crunk at work today.
Maybe
Instead
he
of
was.
crank.
Maybe he was
I
crunk.
said crunk, didn't
Yeah, and it's not right. That's what I'm getting at, but it runs in the family, clearly.
Here we go.
He said Georgia talking.
I don't see no leaks.
Start it again.
All right.